A pleasant day to you, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Melissabeth Faustino from La Union, Philippines. I was born in September 4, 1997, and I am 28 years old. I am married and blessed with four sons aged 13, 12, 9, and 6. I am high school graduate. I work in Saudi Arabia as domestic helper from August 14, 2023 to August 19, 2025. My duties include cooking, washing the clothes, cleaning the house, taking good of children aged 6, 2, and 7 months old. I am confident in taking care of newborn babies, and I am also willing to teach children to read and write English. I wish to work in Hong Kong, support my family, and fulfill my dreams. To my future employers, I promise to perform my duties and responsibilities with dedication and respect. Take care of your family as my own. Finish my contract faithfully. I sincerely hope to become a part of your family as trustworthy and hardworking helper. Thank you very much and may God bless you.